Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevrolet Traverse, and I'm just going to show you where the windshield wiper controls are for both the front as well as the rear. So for the front, you're probably going to have some toggle like this, and then it's just a matter of flipping these further up, makes it go more often, further down is off. And then as far as these rear ones here, that you see going like this, if it's on, the controls for that are actually right here. And I decided to make this video because a lot of vehicles, they have them on the same toggle, whether it's on this side of the vehicle or this side. But yeah, these are the controls for the rear. So if you, right now it's kind of in a middle position, but if you push up once, it's gonna just start going. And then if you push the bottom one, it's gonna squirt liquid and then start wiping. I want mine off right now, so you just kind of leave it toggled in the middle here for it to be off. But otherwise, I hope that was helpful for you, and I appreciate a like and subscribe if you're able. And in the comments, please leave any comments or questions, and I'll help as best as I can. All right, hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.